Mix these ingredients together to get rid of culottes and back fat. A simple and very healthy recipe. Stay until the end of the video so you don't miss any details. Before I teach you, tell me here below the city where you are following us from. I really like to know how far our videos are reaching. Then I will answer your comment. For this recipe we will need ingredients that you already have in your house. A simple but very effective drink that will make you even healthier and lose that pouch. One of the ingredients we'll need is a cucumber. Cut it up into small pieces. Cucumber improves the health of the skin, nails, eyes, and hair, because it contains antioxidants and carotenoids. It improves heart health because it is rich in potassium. We will need 1 apple. Slice it and remove its middle and the seeds as well. The apple helps you lose weight because it is rich in antioxidants, such as catechins and chlorogenic acid, and contains fiber such as quercetin, which helps regulate blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. We will also need half a ginger. Ginger is an amazing natural anti-inflammatory, but it is also good for boosting immunity and has many other health benefits. Peel the ginger and cut or grate it into small pieces. 2 lemons. Lemon is a great tool to help you lose weight, as it is low in calories and a source of fiber, contributing to hunger control. The lemon juice is a great help to lose weight, because it detoxifies the organism, disinflates the body and increases the feeling of satiety. And we will need a glass of spinach leaves. Spinach is low in calories. Each 100 grams of raw or cooked spinach leaves has approximately 23 calories, and has fiber that increases the feeling of satiety, which helps to reduce hunger and lose weight. Now take all the ingredients to a blender, except the lemon juice. Add 3 to 4 glasses of water. Beat everything very well to obtain a homogeneous mixture. After blending your juice, transfer it to a glass container with a lid. Then add the juice of 2 lemons and mix everything very well. Drink 2 glasses daily, before breakfast and before dinner. What's left over can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Easy, isn't it? Tell me in the comments when you will try this drink. This recipe is very valuable, you can't not make it at home. It will bring you countless benefits. To finish this video, I'm going to give you a very special message. The message is in Philippians chapter 4, verse 6 to 7. Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything let your requests be made known before God by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, and the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and your thoughts in Christ Jesus. We must pray to God to put our worries aside and depend exclusively on God. Only then can we live feeling peace and security in our hearts and not having anxiety about losses and gains. When facing problems that are difficult to solve, we get stuck in them and feel a lot of pressure. Here is a way out: depend on God. Thank you for watching this video so far. May God bless you and your family. Until the next video. Bye.